What's up, traders? Happy weekend. I hope everyone's having a good one. We're going to jump right into this. As always, I'm going to start doing a little bit of a weekend update for all the prop firms that I recommend. And just to remind you guys, I am live every single weekday that the market is open. We're doing giveaways every single Friday, at least 2 accounts. So if you're not on the live stream, I don't really know what to tell you at this point. So starting off, we're gonna go with Tradeify. I'm gonna kind of go in order of that I kind of recommend these prop firms, and I'm just gonna kind of give you an update. Tradeify actually just came out with a huge update as far as funding live traders. And a lot of this I'm just gonna kind of be reading straight from their Discord. So the first live traders, they're gonna start onboarding March 3rd, and they're introducing what they're just calling Tradeify Live. And Tradeify will reward sim funded performance with up to 2 live funded accounts. They will also have merit accounts. Tradeify reinvest into you with 3 to 4 more live accounts funded with their capital. One of the big things is that you'll be able to take payouts daily. You can request them obviously every day. You can scale your capital by hitting predefined targets and earn those merit accounts to unlock opportunities to grow your capital further. The risk management and support, they will scale up each account up to 15 contracts as you work with a dedicated risk manager. They'll have live leaderboards so that you can see how you rank against the other traders that are in the live environment. And they say they're going to have the ultimate live experience, advanced analytics, AI-powered insights, and seamless trade execution to enhance your trading journey. Additional updates with Tradeify is that as they focus on getting many real traders to Tradeify Live, they're making a couple changes to prevent exploiters from cycling through funded accounts to avoid going live. So they're going to put an 80K cap on simulated funded payouts. Traders hitting this threshold will be moved to live. So they're basically just trying to get rid of the people that are playing the system. The first 15K will no longer be at 100% like it was before. So up to the first 15K, you would get 100% of those in payouts. Now they're going to be doing a 90-10 split from the get. These changes will come into effect March 1st and will ensure a fair and sustainable path to live trading while maintaining long-term success for serious traders from day one. And as always, right now, code VOLA will get you 30% off on all their accounts. So down to Take Profit Trader. They're always under the radar, and that's in a good way. I recommend them very much. They have solid customer service, they got fast payouts, and they just have great options for all the accounts. And right now they're doing 50% off on all of their account sizes with code VOLA. My Funded Futures. I still think that they're a great prop firm, and I still have them ranked 3rd on my list. I only have 6 props that I currently recommend at the moment, but they've been doing some things here and there that have kind of led me away from them. The first and foremost was that they had the cheapest 50K account as far as like where you paid up front and then you passed, it became a lifetime account. They call it the starter plan, and it was great. But for some reason they decided recently, about a month ago, to raise the price, and now they're no longer the cheapest. To be frank, Take Profit Trader and Tradeify, they offer the same type of deal, and Take Profit Trader you pay a little bit more, but Tradeify is actually cheaper now, and I honestly just think overall Tradeify is going down the right direction a little bit more so than My Funded Futures. I just noticed that it says My Funded Futures on my website. I'll have to fix that. Ignore that, obviously. But I'm gonna go ahead and read this straight from their Discord as well. They had a little mishap with their ACH lately, and it says, due to significant increase in fraudulent activity targeting our ACH payment system, My Funded Futures has made the decision to discontinue ACH as a payment method effective immediately. All traders will still be able to make payments through our other secure payment methods, including credit/debit cards and crypto. This also means ACH payments or payouts for the time being is being paused. For the traders affected by ACH payouts, particularly those in RISE restricted states, we are actively working on an alternative solution. You may continue trading as normal, or if you prefer to wait for the new ACH system, you can open a support ticket to request a refund on your active account. We remain committed to providing you with secure and reliable funding options while maintaining the integrity of our systems. Thank you for the patience during this transition. So right now, what that basically means is we were only getting that 5% affiliate discount through ACH. They are not offering that for credit cards. So right now there is no 5% additional discount. However, they do still have the 25% off the expert accounts, and that's effective until the end of the month. So with code VOLA, you can still get 25% off the expert accounts. I believe even using the credit card. I think that's completely separate. The 5% thing with the affiliates, it was just something on top of the normal off prices that they have. And that was the thing with My Funded Futures that I really liked when I first found them, is that they just gave you their best price up front. And then they also, for supporting an affiliate, would give you an additional 5% off. There was no like 80% off, 50% off, 30% off. There was none of that. It was just like, here's our best price. If you like it, there it is. And for going through an affiliate code, you will also get the additional 5%. And I really love that about them. But they have been running into some issues. This is one of them. And on top of that, like I said, they're not even the cheapest anymore. So I'm hoping they make some changes, and we'll see where they go from there. That leads us down to the futures desk. The futures desk is still relatively new. I wrote down that they're still getting their feet under them, and I believe that they are a great firm. They just need to kind of get things moving in the right direction. I do believe they have a pretty awesome change coming up in the future that yours truly put into action, and I'm personally waiting on that change to happen before I continue to trade with them. However, I will mention that the fact that you can customize an account just for you, it's pretty awesome. So you can literally go in there and fine tune the account exactly what you want. How many contracts you trade? What do you want your max daily loss to be? What do you want your max loss to be? How many days do you want to be able to pass the eval in? They have all that, and their software that you get to trade on is absolutely, it's just great. I don't really know what to tell you about it. So they're up and coming. I do believe that they're going to do very well in the future. It's just taking a little bit of time for them to kind of build it up. And right now they do have 30% off using code VOLA. That brings us down to TickTick. I don't use TickTick personally, but I've never heard anything bad about TickTick. Really nothing to say except for that right now they have the 40% off the 50K, the 100K, and the 150K straight to funded with code VOLA. And that brings us to number 6 on our 6 out of 6 list, Apex. I have a funded account with Apex. It's a lifetime account. I think that Apex, I'm just going to read what I put. I said, not much to update on Apex that you probably don't already know. They are Apex. And if you're okay with that, they still pay out fast. They have some of the cheaper prices in the industry and the same structure that they've pretty much always had. Yes, they did recently change some rules, but everyone knows about them at this point, and there's really not too much to update. Like I said, Apex is Apex. You know what you're getting up front. They're currently 80% off until March 4th. The 150K, the 250K, the 300K are all $59, and the lifetime activation fee is $125. I really wish they would have left that lifetime activation fee at $85. I really think that you would have got a lot more people to continue using Apex if that were the case. Still 1 day to pass, still the half price resets, obviously all with code VOLA. You can always get the best discount there. So like I said, Apex is one of those companies where a lot of people will have a sour taste in their mouth, but in the end, like, they're still there. They're still the biggest. They're still paying out. I know people personally in the Discord, they're posting their payouts from Apex. You follow the rules, you seem to have no problems. If you're one of the ones that tries to take advantage of the rules, you kind of go through the ringer with all the crap that they put into place, and it is what it is. They're sixth on my list right now just because of the difficulty of figuring out all the changes that they've had going on lately. I do feel like once they get their feet back under them with all the stuff going on as far as the court cases, and like once all that's behind them and I feel like they start to concentrate on just the firm again, I do feel like they might start to rise the ranks a little bit. They might even bring the Discord back. You never know. But until then, I'm just going to keep them at the bottom of my recommended list because I'd rather be safe than sorry. So there you go. Daytradingcoupons.com. This is my site. If you ever want to see the current discounts on any of these sites, feel free to come check it out. I always keep it up to date. And my short that I usually post every day, kind of updating, it usually self-posts itself here, little API on the back end there. And that's all I got. I appreciate you all being here. Look forward to this every week. I'm going to try to do a little update just to kind of keep you guys up to date on each of these firms. And if that's something you like, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already. Appreciate the support. And I will see you guys Monday for the live stream. Peace.